So one of the things I've enjoyed doing lately is taking a single application and chatting through its features over the course of one dedicated video. And so today we're doing that again. And this episode is all about Business Calendar 2, an application by AppGenix. And a huge shout out to the team at AppGenix for being kind enough to sponsor today's video. Now, this is not a review of their app. It's simply a showcase and walkthrough to demonstrate how to maximize each of the features within the app. So sit back, grab a drink, and let's get started. So when you first launch the app, you'll be greeted with what is essentially a full page calendar, but there's some hidden gestures that make navigating through the events and dates a super sleek experience. Firstly, down the bottom, you'll see each of your Google accounts, and you can tap to disable or enable whichever accounts you want visible within the app. You can actually also group several calendars together by navigating to the menu here, then to calendar and task lists, and finally by heading over to the groups page. Select whichever calendars you want to appear in a group, give it a name, and then hit save. That group will then be automatically added to the favorites bar, meaning you can now quickly show or hide a bunch of calendars with one tap of a button. From there, check this out. If you want to zoom in on any particular dates within a month, you simply swipe your finger over as many or as few days as you'd like, and then the app will zoom in and show a more detailed view of that specific date selection. You can then adjust the amount of days visible really quickly by dragging this slider down here. So whether you want to view a full week or just 3 days, you can use this slider to do so. And if you slide all the way over to the left, you will jump to the day view. Or if you want to go back to the month view, you can just slide all the way over to the right. You can also tap the menu icon up here and manually navigate between the different calendar views that way. And there's even an agenda view, which shows just your upcoming events categorized by date order. Now from there, if you want to add a new event to your calendar, it's dead easy. Just tap the date, then the little plus icon, and then from there you can start filling in the information as necessary. Now on this page, you can adjust the theme color, you can add attendees, you can add an attachment like a photo or voice recording, which is pretty neat, and all of the other usual event details like reminders or locations and so forth, they're all available here as well. You can even add a private link to a contact within an event, and that means the contact is only visible within the Business Calendar 2 app, nowhere else, and it basically allows for quick interactions related to that contact. For example, making a call if need be. Keep in mind, as opposed to invited attendees who will receive an email with the event information, the privately linked contact will not be informed about the event. So as I said, pretty much any information you might need to connect to an event, it's all there for you if need be. What's also pretty cool is that you can create event templates. So let's say for work-related events, you want to have a yellow accent color. You want to have it so that you're reminded both via a notification and an email 30 minutes prior to the event. And you want it so that you're set to busy for the duration of the event as well. Well, you can set all of those details up as a template. This means the next time you add a work-related event to your calendar, instead of having to manually input all of that information again, you can instead tap this little template icon here and have all of those features added in automatically. Very neat. Once your events are created, if you need to share it with someone else, perhaps a work colleague or maybe a family member, then you can just tap on the event, then the little 3-dot icon up here and select share. Or you can even share entire calendars with other people as well by coming to the hamburger menu here, then to calendars and task lists, then selecting the edit icon next to the calendar you'd like to share, and then finally you tap on share. Okay, let's head back to week view now. And from here, if we then tap the 3-dot icon up here, there are a bunch of extra features, but let's first tap multi-selection mode. And from here, we can select any number of events and edit them simultaneously. So with our events selected, if we then tap the 3-dot icon again, you can see that there are now a bunch of tools here that allow us to edit all of the selected events together. So for example, let's tap change color. We'll select a new color, and just like that, each event that was selected now has a new color. If we get out of multi-select mode and tap the 3-dot icon again, let's this time try the drag and drop copy mode. When we're in this mode, we can long press events and drag them wherever necessary to quickly duplicate them to a different date or time. Now, aside from that, the app also has a bunch of widgets available to choose from as well, including an agenda view widget, a couple of day view widgets, there's week and month view widgets, plus there's also a tasks widget for adding and completing to-do list items, and a simple icon widget that simply shows today's date and how many events you have on today as well. And finally, for all of the customization fans watching this video, then good news, there are also a huge range of theming options to choose from, which means you can really make the app look exactly how you want it to. Now, what's really great is that most of the main functions within the app itself are free. But that said, some of the features I've talked about in this video are actually only available once you upgrade to the Pro version. Plus, there's a bunch of other features that become unlocked as well. You can see the full list on the Google Play Store listing, but what's great is that it's just a one-time fee of $6.99. No ongoing subscription costs, so if you like the free version of the app, you can rest assured it's pretty affordable to upgrade to the Pro version. So check out the first link down in the description below to try Business Calendar 2 for free today. Aside from that, hopefully you found this video helpful. Thank you all very much for watching. Thank you to the team at AppGenix for supporting the channel, and I will catch you later.